Step 1. Power on. Long press the power button until the screen lights up. Enter the password admin to log in. Do not open the cover plate during the instrument is turned on. Before testing, select the corresponding sample type. Step 2. Sample collection. EDTA. Blood collection. The EDTA, whole blood, must be fresh. It can be stored for 1 to 2 hours at 18 to 25 degrees centigrade and for 4 to 6 hours at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Abnormal blood cannot be used for testing. Gently flip the EDTA anticoagulant tube up and down 3 to 5 times. Mix the blood thoroughly. Avoid shake violently. Use a 5 microliter pipette to draw whole blood. When using a 5 microliter pipette to draw the sample, press it to the first stop. It cannot be pressed to the second stop. The tip should just be submerged under the liquid surface. Forbid inserting too deep. Step 3. Sample processing. Insert the tip completely into R1. Constantly draw and release the liquid. Make sure there is no residue. Cover the lid and gently shake to ensure thorough mixing. Use a pipette to draw 5 microliter of R1 and add it to R2. Make sure to draw 5 microliter. Make sure there is no residue. Cover the lid and hold the upper and lower sides with your fingers. Flip up and down 3 to 5 times. Avoid shake violently. Then add all R3 to R1. Flip up and down 3 to 5 times. Avoid shake violently. Step 4. Sample test. Open the instrument cover plate. Remove the sealing film of the consumables. Place the consumables in the correct position. Press gently to ensure full insertion. Add all R1 to the white area. Add all R2 to the red area. Avoid bubbles, if any. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. Close the cover plate and click the test button. Wait for 3 minutes. Remove the consumables according to the prompts. The test results will be displayed automatically. Long press the power button to shut down.